Once again here with the weekly guidance. So here pick a card, weekly guidance for the coming week. We are going to check how the coming week energy is going to be, what best we can do, how consciously we can deal with our issues so that our week is going to be great and we can plan further accordingly. So here I am going to use Angel deck and the Osho Zen deck also for this coming week guidance. So we are going to see how our week is going to be. So here we are having three sections of the card, section 1, 2 and 3. You can select any one of the card for your future week guidance, or you can select more than one card also as per your wish. So you know how to select the cards. You have to call your spirit guides, angels, connect with your intuition and intuitively pick one section of the card so that you should get the correct guidance for the coming week. So as from Tarot Destination, we said weekly we are coming up with surprise gift. We are going to announce lucky winners on weekly basis on our YouTube platform, FB platform as well as Instagram platform also. And since this guidance is going to cover the September month, we are entering through this guidance. So I wanted to add that activity through this weekly guidance so that people can connect, and if you wish you can participate in this activity and you can win one specific question detailed reading through Tarot Destination. If remedy shall be required, it will be given to you. If it is not required, don't worry, the things will be all right. So what you have to do in order to participate in this, you do not need to do anything. Simply you have to follow the guidance. Just follow as usual. In routine, you people are following the guidance. For weekly guidance, you are listening and you are commenting. You have to comment on the video. What did you like about the video? Or if you want to add any suggestion for improvement of the video or any special content you wanted to listen from us, that also you can write. Or simply after watching the video, which section you had selected and up to what extent it is resonating with you or not, and you can leave any smiley, any emoji over there. So this is completely your wish. If you wanted to comment over there, you can comment and you can participate. From the participants who are commenting over there on the video, out of all comments, 2 lucky winners shall be announced during the weekend, and both the people can avail one specific question reading through Tarot Destination. Make sure you are available on Facebook or Instagram, wherever your account is, and you can follow over there to us and you can message your question on that. So you are messaging your question either on the Instagram or the Facebook page. Through Facebook page you are going to connect with us. WhatsApp, if someone is sending question, that question shall not be entertained. So make sure you are sending direct message through the Facebook or the Instagram and you are one of the follower of that page either on the FB or the Instagram. So how long this contest or this activity is going to be valid? This is going to be valid, this activity is valid from Sunday to Monday only. So 2 days only it is given. Within 2 days, who are all is commenting there, they will be given this facility. This Sunday and Monday, the days which I had mentioned, this I had mentioned as per Indian Standard Time. So make sure if you are in other time zone, just check out the time and make sure within this timeline only you are following in order to participate in this activity, in order to be eligible participant. So nothing much work is there. Simply you have to watch and you have to give your honest feedback. This honest feedback can be in the form of any emoji also, or you can write your comment. So without wasting time, let's start the reading. So here, as I said, card 1, 2, 3, three sections are there. You can select one or more than one also. So now let's see what the cards are talking. Card 1 we are going to check now. So section 1 of the card is creative project and moment to moment. So people who have selected section 1, for you guys, I feel coming week something creative things are coming. Creative means something which is close to your heart, you might be expecting since long, or you wanted to do something on that. Such kind of work proposal opportunity you are going to get either at home or at workplace. Such creative people also you may meet, so you are going to enjoy your time. So this is creative project. And again here, can you see moment to moment? This card is indicating you, this card is talking about balance in your finances. This is two of pentacles as per Rider-Waite. So moment to moment, here it is talking about whatever you are doing, you need to have balance, or else what will happen, you may fall down. So since you are going to have your creative project, anything interesting thing you are going to get in coming time, but you have to make the balance. Somewhere you may lose the balance, or you need to pay attention on the balance. Balance means what? Could be workplace, you got something very interesting and you are not paying attention to your family people. Why? Because you are enjoying this work, which might be it is your area of interest, and you started enjoying the work. Lot of work also started coming, and you are not able to pay attention to your family. So in this scenario, you are not balancing your life, you are disturbing your life. Only one area of life you are enjoying, other area you are missing. So this both the cards together, they are talking about enjoy your creative thing, enjoy your things which you really like to do. Something creative definitely you should do, because the work which you do, if you are not enjoying, the great outcome you may not get. But balance also it is required. Somewhere related to your project or any new opportunity which is close to your heart, some finances management it is required related to that. And somewhere finances balance you have to do. Might be extra expenses may happen just because of this thing, exciting thing, and later on you may feel financial strain, financial crunch may be felt by the family and with you also. So here both the cards for the coming week, they are talking about enjoy your work, but have balance with your health, with your family, everything. Whatever you are doing, the other area of your life should not be left out. Clearly you have to make balance, and little financial issues also can be seen. Might be you may spend more on your creative things, so later on little hard situation might be felt. You may feel suddenly expenses, why I had done so. Little hard only, it's not like that much you are not going to feel, but yes, little stress definitely you are going to feel with regard to the finances. But here the situation is like somewhere you may feel either you are not paying attention to one area of your life, or just because of this new thing you may not be able to have balance, and you cannot avoid even one area. So the balance is very very necessary. So basically the core message for the coming week is balance on your creative project, balance on your anything interesting thing which is coming to you, and do enjoy your work. So let's move to the card number 2, what the card number 2 is talking about. So this is section number 2, card number 2. It is talking about let your past go and rebirth. So people who have selected section 2 of the card, they may feel little hard situation in the coming week. Something is going to restart. You have to stop something and something new you have to start in order to survive, because easily you cannot give up. So some hard situation may come. It could be relationship, it could be finances, it could be job, anything. So one area of your life is going to be affected, and here cards are suggesting let go of your old things, let go of your stuff, and rebirth it is required. So restart your journey, forget about this past thing which you cannot carry with you, which is not allowing you to transform your life. Forget about these painful things, these are not going to help you, and restart your journey. Some fresh start it is required in your life, either finances, relationship, a job, anything. It could be a new friendship, it could be. So anything, whatever it is coming in the coming week. It is clearly showing something is going to get end, and you are going to feel the pain of that. It is going to be painful, but since you cannot stop things, so positively only you can move ahead by leaving your baggage, the negative baggage. No need to carry, simply leave and move on your journey. Majorly I feel this section 2, it is talking about a relationship which you need to forget, and you need to restart your life again. Here it is talking about, here the 10 number card, again it is talking about completion of something and starting of something new. Until unless you will not close your old chapter, you cannot go in the new chapter, and new chapters are important for your life. This ending, whatever ending it is happening, this is a kind of lesson for you, and this lesson, it is your karmic lesson. Here it is talking about, so this has to be ended, something has to be left out, something has to be stopped now, and you can just move to the next life, or you can move to the next step of your life. Learn this lesson. This is not a pain, this is a lesson for you, which you have to carry in your mind, which you have to carry in your life, what lesson you learned, and then move on. Here it is not talking about carry your pain, here it is talking about simply keep your lessons, not the burden, and move on in your life, because you cannot simply see back, and if you are moving forward like that, your speed will be slow and nowhere you are reaching, because always you will be in pain like this, and growth cannot be possible. So something has to be sacrificed, something has to be lost in order to move forward. So something new is coming, it is a positive sign, some transformation time it is, I feel. So if you are feeling very painful, if you are feeling the situation is very hard, it is request to you, you can meditate on your situation, or simply you can meditate and you can chant any of the mantra which you like. Try to understand the situation and try to understand your feelings also. Don't expect much from others, don't expect much from this situation. Simply give time to the situation, everything will be all right later on. So this is card 2, little hard, but I don't feel you need to pay attention to the negativity. It is a lesson, it is not negativity actually. It is a lesson which you are supposed to learn in this lifetime, which you had accepted to learn these lessons while coming in this present lifetime. So this karmic lesson you have to learn, and after learning only you will be able to grow in your life. So here it is talking about a rebirth, so something has to be restarted. Carry the lessons so that further mistakes cannot be happen, and just move on in your journey. So this is the card number 2. So this is the section number 3. Section number 3, it is talking about what do you desire and the ripeness. Here the clear-cut message is be clear on your desires, be clear on your thoughts, be clear on your opportunities, what actually you are looking for. Because once the clarity will come, then only you will be able to select the outcome of your desire. So this is the fruit you can see. It is already ready, some are about to be ready, and one is already ready and it is ready to eat for you. But you should be sure you want this fruit only. So here cards are indicating, these angels are giving you the message, please write down what actually you want. I think the angels are indicating you, please you start writing your desire, start manifesting your desire. And you have to manifest your desire by writing the same thing again and again. So once you will write, you will have the clarity actually what you are looking for. The many times, repetitive times, when you are going to do this, the writing of your desire, you will understand by writing 5 or 6 days or 5 or 6 times, you will understand your sentences keep on changing. Your mind is saying just add this, again your mind will say why don't you add something extra. So once you will write and look at your sentence again, what the desire you had written, I think you are going to have more clarity what actually you are looking for. So keep writing your desires, prioritize your desires, prioritize your wishes, so that the deserving time or at the right time you are going to get your results also. For happening of magic or for happening of any miracle, you need to be very sure actually what you are looking for. Then only the similar result or the equivalent of that result shall be granted by the divine. So this is the message it is coming for the people who have selected card number 3. Somewhere I think you are distracted. In mind so many things are coming. You are not able to decide actually what do you want, or you need focus, you need attention for your desire now. This is the correct time, because I think your good time is also coming. So if you'll clear what do you want, you shall be able to get that result, because these fruits are ready to eat and some are again getting prepared. They are getting ripe soon. So be clear what do you want, so that you can have your result in your favorable time. Until and unless you will not sow your seed, how you are going to have the plant? So the seed should be healthy and the seed should be of that plant only what you are looking for. So be clear, start writing, give grounding to your desire, give grounding to yourself in order to get the good result. But overall, if I would say, people who have selected card 3, somewhere some financial abundance you are going to get. Make sure what do you want and you shall be able to get it. So start writing your opportunity. And in fact, this message is not only for this week. I think this practice you can continue. Who are all is confused, you can just carry this practice in your life, and you will see with time you will start manifesting your exact desire, what you are writing and what you are looking for exactly. And those things are really required in your life also. And with time you will learn how to manifest even the small and the big desires of your life. So this is the message of the section number 3 card, people who have selected. I hope you people have liked the reading. Do try to follow the message if you are drawn to, if you felt connected to these messages. So do try to follow consciously. Definitely the result will be great. And I hope you all are, who are all watching this video, all are having great week ahead. Just do enjoy your time. No need to worry. If something negative is also coming, doesn't matter, you are going to enjoy, because the God is there and we know God is great. So do enjoy your time and don't forget to participate in the activity, because something free again the universe might be offering through us, and if you really need that, you are going to get that, and you may have more clarity or whatever you are looking for, the help, whatever the extent help we can extend, definitely the Tarot Destination is going to provide. So wish you all the very best, each and everyone. Do enjoy your week. Take care. Bye bye.